Hey guys, Natural Progressive. So, this is my very, very, very favorite rest area up here, getting close to Vernal area, the place where they're doing all that fracking and mining and destroying all the land. So, anyway, I mean, people just discount this area, but it's so freaking beautiful. All the rock formations, juniper trees. It's absolutely a beautiful area. People don't think about it. They don't get out here and see what it's all about. And there's so many animals that live here. Tons of lizards, there's antelope, there's jackrabbits. This is an ecosystem. And it's exactly this type of ecosystem that's being destroyed right now with mining and fracking and all of that. So when I come up through here, generally take a little hike. It's because, every chance I get, I try to be near nature. But these trees they're so old. And this is the kind of land they're destroying. Yeah, I hate seeing all the city crap up here, but at least there's still some nature here. All those trees. It's my favorite drive, but it gets even better further on up. Thought I'd show you a little bit of what it looks like. Yeah, there's a lot of sagebrush. When you're looking from the road, that's pretty much all you see. Sagebrush and the junipers in the distance. But when you get up close and see all the gnarly wood of these super old trees. When I was a teenager, I used to draw trees like this. I just think they're artistic and just their natural form. The twisting of the wood. I don't know. I think they're amazing. But I tend to find beauty in places other people don't see it. Wanted to get to the rocks before my phone overheats. My battery's already expanding and popping off the back of my phone. So we'll see how far we get. But see some of the rock down there. Over there you can see way far in the distance. There's a tailings pond that I'm gonna drive by later. It's super far in the distance. I know you won't be able to see it. I can see it now, but you probably won't be able to see it there. Anyway. Let's see. Just want to get to the rock formations. This is a really nice hike to go on when you're traveling through this area. Gives you a little bit of an idea of what this landscape looks like up close and not from the freeway. If you're ever traveling through places, make sure you stop at the rest stops and find the hiking trails they have off of them, because I'm finding that almost all of them have a hiking trail. Kind of going off the trail for just a second. I've been here so many times before. I'm trying to get you to the good stuff, the fun rock formations. Here we go. A little cave there. One point that was probably an animal's home. Hopefully it still is. little trees. That one's almost dead. Still beautiful. Kind of gotta watch where I'm going. Traveling on the rocks. Yeah, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna climb down here now. Look how pretty this is. Can you imagine what this was like before people touched it? There's probably so many animals that lived here. And now there's just too many visitors, but these kind of things are amazing to me. Look at these holes in the rock. Isn't that just neat? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's sad. There's like I shouldn't probably show you this, but I'm going to, because that's just what I find. That's like the head of a fox. Like just the fur of the head. Doesn't look like there's any bones in it. That's just sad. Somebody probably hunted that and just took the fur, the body part, to make a pelt out of. That's just sad. Oh, that's disgusting. Anyway. Look at that. Isn't that freaking cool? Okay, I'm going to run out of juice. Let's get back to my car, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because this is just absolutely amazing. I want to see this stuff go away, and I want to be able to enjoy this for a long time. I don't know, guys. Anyway, just sharing what I see. I know these videos don't get a lot of views, but I don't really care. Oh man, this is really sad. Look at all the engraving people have done in this beautiful rock. People have fucking destroyed this. All their shit. Assholes, they can't just leave it natural. That pisses me off. Okay. Alright. I'm done here. Talk to you later. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.